traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro dollar, we've been going down pretty strong. I still think that this move down right here is an ABC crescent to this last move up. I personally still think that we're going to end up making a bounce and making a big push to the upside to finish off what I think is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of an expanding flat wave C. Now, it doesn't have to turn at the 50. It could possibly go down to the 60 or the 78.6 before it actually does end up making that bigger move to the upside. Heading down to the weekly time frame. Now, the trend is definitely still down on the weekly. We do not have a breaker structure. All we have is a fib bounce, which definitely does not prove that the trend is over. I mean, it could easily continue to go down to the 61%, maybe even the 78%. So taking it down to the daily time frame, this is the breaker structure that I would be waiting for to help to prove to me that this whole move down is complete. We did have a little bit of a break above structure, but it didn't really hold, so we can't really say for sure that the trend is over. Like I said, I mean, the trend is technically still down on all these higher time frames, and the trend could easily keep on going down very easily. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, to me, it definitely still looks like 5 waves up over here, which is why I'm calling it a wave A. I still think this looks like a possible wave A down. I still think this move up looks like a possible wave B, and it looks like it should at least go down, maybe even take out all these lows for a possible wave C before it actually does end up going back up for either a wave 3 or a wave C, because the first 5 waves up could be a wave 1 and this could be an ABC of 2, or the first 5 waves up could be a wave A and this could be an ABC of B, which means that the next move should be either a C or a wave 3. The best thing for us to do is try to go long and hopefully learn and earn at the same time whether this is a wave C or whether this is a wave 3. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, if this breaks above these highs with momentum, then we may have to scratch that idea because it may just keep on going up. But as long as it doesn't break and hold above this high right here, I think we're okay to hold on to shorts and continue to look for shorts. As long as it continues to make that low high series, then I think the analysis that I was just showing on the 4 hour time frame, which is that we're likely in a C of B or a C of 2, is correct. So I would be looking at this as possibly a wave 1, like a running flat or an expanding flat wave 2, and eventually going down and making a 3, 4, 5 of C, which is either a wave C of B or a wave C of wave 2. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.